you have to have a washer, let's say like a Unimac washer. You want to be able to have something that is programmable, that we can change the rotation of the wash wheel. We have the ability to change the RPM speed, whether you kind of, a traditional washer, we want to kind of lift it and drop it, right? So we're getting a mechanical action and we're going, left to right, counterclockwise, clockwise, back and forth, and we're creating that mechanical action, which creates some scrubbing. If you got something that's really delicate, I know you asked medical, but let's throw a wedding dress where it's really laced and it's beaded, and you just want to turn it, right? Just a little bit. You just want to rotate it. You don't want to lift and drop it. So having a machine that has the ability to program RPM speed just to mimic a hand wash, having the ability on that equipment to do it, having the knowledge to know how to do it, all critical to be able to handle really delicate items. We do that in the dry cleaning segment with what we call wet washing, where we're using water instead of, let's say, hydrocarbon or a perk to clean it. We can mimic that really delicate wash in a wash wheel with the proper machine. So, that's just a little bit of knowledge of what you're trying to achieve, how to properly program it, but also how to make sure you've got the investment in the machines that can let you physically do that.